Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn algebra. Begin by grasping the concept of variables, which are letters representing unknown numbers. Practice solving simple equations like x plus 5 equals 10 to build confidence. Focus on understanding the inverse operations. For example, subtraction undoes addition. This foundational knowledge is crucial for tackling more complex algebraic problems. Start with concrete examples before moving to abstract representations. Next, delve into combining like terms, which simplifies expressions. Remember that you can only add or subtract terms with the same variable and exponent. Mastering the order of operations, often remembered by PEMDAS, is vital for accurate calculations. Work through numerous examples of one-step and two-step equations to solidify your understanding. This consistent practice will make solving more intricate problems much easier. To truly succeed, visualize algebraic problems. Drawing diagrams or using a number line can make abstract concepts more concrete. When faced with a challenging equation, break it down into smaller, more manageable steps. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are valuable learning opportunities. Review your work carefully, identify where you went wrong, and understand why. Consistent effort and a positive attitude are key. Explore various resources to enhance your learning. Online tutorials and educational videos offer different perspectives and explanations. Textbooks and workbooks provide structured practice problems to reinforce your skills. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Consistent engagement with these tools will deepen your understanding and build your confidence in algebra. Keep practicing, and you'll see significant progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.